Beautiful people, how are you doing today? Welcome back to Self Hustle, and this is Kemi of Self Hustle. If you're seeing our video for the first time, please do want to hit the subscribe button, like this video, and share. And if you're a returning subscriber, as usual, we'll love you. So in this video today, we'll be reviewing 5 websites that you can use to make money online. Now, this making money online, these 5 websites that will be listed do not require you to have any skill or any capital. You understand? These are simply taxing websites where you can easily do tax and get paid. Although this is not a get rich quick scheme, but then again, there is no dollar that is too small. If you're in Nigeria, you all will know that the rate at which dollar is rising, it is only reasonable for you to try to make money online and earn in dollars. But if you're outside Nigeria, probably abroad or somewhere you are in the world or somewhere around the world, you will know that definitely bills are piling up day in, day out, and what you need is another profitable source of income. Now, this does not guarantee you that you will make thousands of naira or thousands of dollars, but the fact still remains that you will make money which might take care of 1 or 2 of your bills. So without wasting much of our time, I'll be listing these 5 websites that you can use to make money online. So let's get straight into the video. Guys, this is the screen of my phone. I'll be opening my Chrome browser right here. I have it opened right here. This is how my Chrome browser looks like, and I have the website listed down here. Now, the first website we'll be looking at is called Premise, and Premise is spelled as Premise. Premise. Now, this is a website where you share your knowledge and your insights to help business make better decisions online. You know, most of these businesses are currently online here, and they are looking for 1 or more ways to better their website or platform. Now, what we'll be doing Premise is sharing our opinion to enable this business makes better decision. Now, this is what Premise website looks like, and we'll be looking at people they've worked with. These are like profitable big organizations that they have worked with, so definitely they are legit brand. Here we have Fortune, we have Forbes, and we have the Wall Street Journal, we have Deloitte, and we have a lot of big brands that they have worked with. Now, when we come here, it says how it works. The first thing you need here is to create an account with them. Now, you either download their apps on iOS or on an Android phone. The next thing here, it says explore tags. Once you download their apps, you sign up and you start exploring tags. They always have a list of tags that you can do. So guys, do want to check out get paid by using PayPal, Toluna, or Bitcoin, depending on the payment method that is available in your country. So do not get me wrong, if you are in Nigeria, you can definitely use Payoneer or Bitcoin. Now, if you are outside Nigeria, maybe Kenya, US, or Pakistan, or China, wherever you are, you can definitely use PayPal if it's acceptable in your country. So with that being said, we all know that making money online isn't as easy as everybody put it to be. But then again, if you put in more effort and time into this website, you will definitely make money. Now, our website number 2 is called Ysense. Now, Ysense is a survey website. It is no news that some people are making money from survey websites online. Now, if you do not believe me, there are a lot of survey websites like Moblog, survey.com, survey.ng, and a lot of them that I have reviewed on this channel. But for the purpose of this particular video, we'll be looking at a website that actually pays you in dollars. We'll be looking at Ysense. Not wasting much of our time, this is how the platform Ysense looks like. It says sign up for free and start earning. All you have to do on this Ysense website is to input your email and choose a password, and you click on I agree to terms and policy and privacy policy. Now, Ysense is spelled as Ysense, Ysense. Now it says earn extra cash online. Ysense is a global online community with multiple earning options. Join now and start earning with paid online surveys, cash offers, and more. Now they even have a referral platform. Now for you to know that this website is actually legit, they've worked with big brands like Sample Cubes, Opinion Surveys. Opinion Surveys is also a survey website. That is website number 3 is called Opinion App, and as you all know from the name Opinion App, you share your opinion. Please do not overlook all these survey or opinion websites. Now if they do not pay you, you will not have a list of them like that. So definitely they are paying. For me here, I have been paid by doing surveys, and the money is not much, but then again you definitely get paid. You understand? Opinion App is spelled as OPINIONAPP. Opinion App. Take surveys anytime, anywhere, and make your voice count. Now this particular website will pay you to simply share your opinion. So all you have to do here is to sign up on this website called Opinion App and get paid. Now this doesn't even pay in coins or in points. It actually pays you real money. Some people earn up to 3.40 euros depending on the type of survey you intend to take and depending on your location. Now please do well to check their payment method because they have flexible payment method, and moreover you can get more jobs or more opinions or more surveys by actually downloading their app on App Store or on iOS. So our next website is called Feed Agent. Now Feed Agent is actually for those that want to do physical activities. As you heard it from the name Feed Agent, although Feed Agent pays you more, in fact you get paid more money than your survey website on Feed Agent. What they actually do is to ask you to go to either a shopping mall, a restaurant, or somewhere to check out how their activities are running, especially those big companies with bigger brands, you understand, or big branches or other branches. They ask you to go there, sit there like normal client or normal customer and check out how they behave or their activities and all of that. If it is in a shopping mall, they ask you to go there, take a picture of their items on the cart and let them see how they're pricing and how they're performing right there. So here we have it, Field Agent. Field Agent is spelled as FIELDAGENT, Field Agent. So they also have an app where you can easily download and start getting tags. Now they have been present online for the past 10 years, so definitely they are legit. So all you have to do here is to click on this become an agent, and this is how it works. You download their Feed Agent app. The next thing is you receive and complete a job. Once you download their Feed Agent app, they begin to send you the available jobs they have. I said they do not do points or whatever, they pay you in real cash. In fact, these are the things you get to do. You take audit of their products depending on the available company. You take survey, you buy and trace, all that things, you do rating and reviews, you do I Spy, you just go there and check out, then scavenger hunt. But the but to this particular website is the fact that they are only available in a few countries, and these are the listed countries. You have United States, Canada, Mexico, Ecuador, UK, Spain, South Africa, and Australia. So if you are in any of these countries, please do well to check up on their website feedagent.com and start making money online. So the fifth website here we'll be looking at is called Toluna. Now Toluna is actually a website that actually also pays you for your opinion, but here is a catch to Toluna. Toluna actually pays you. Is it Toluna or Toluna? I don't know whichever one pronunciation is right, but Toluna also pays you to take surveys. Now the big deal about it is Toluna will pay you in real cash and not in points or in units or in coins. You understand? So let's just go straight and see what Toluna is about. this is actually the website. This is actually Toluna. It's called Toluna Influencer, but it is spelled as toluna.com. It's spelled as Toluna, toluna.com. So you can just come on this website, join Toluna Influencers, a community of people just like you. Share your opinion on products and services of brands you love and get rewarded for your participation in online surveys. Now all you have to do on this website is actually register. Their payment method is actually through PayPal or Payoneer. So you can just get straight on this website and sign up and see whichever works for you. Now it is important for you to know that making money with survey website does not bring you millions of naira, but then again it can take care of one or two of your bills. From the listed website I have listed above, there are some of the websites that actually pay you in real dollars, not in coins. You understand? And for the feed agent as well, the website called Feed Agent, it actually pay you for doing a particular task. So the payment is much more higher. It's not wasting much of our time. I will see you guys in my next video. If you have not subscribed to our channel, please do watch subscribe. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you. We love you.